Windfall, wonderful audience, we run, we win. This is James, and yes, we're going to open because, you know, we did, like I told you earlier, Lord bless me with the iPad. I have opened it and stuff, and have, you know, set it up, and I'm using it. Oop, of course, we got a little apple stone. America, the only place where you can name a company after a fruit and get away with it. Oh, Lord, have mercy on us all. But anyways, you know, you don't want to spend $1 million on an Apple device if you're not going to take care of it. So here we go with the OTTERBOX. Oh, you can see me. Peace. OTTERBOX Defender, my friends. iPad 5th and 6th generation. Rugged protection. This is actually, Lord bless, you can actually get low prices for stuff on eBay or Amazon, because if you go do the research, the price of this isn't necessarily cheap, but I actually got. But you can even find this at Target in the clearance section. I was in Target and I saw it in the clearance section for like, what was it? $21. So that was even less than what I spent on mine. But I've been using OTTERBOXes for quite. Oh, look at that! 4 working positions. Isn't that wonderful? Ooh. So, but I mean, I've been using them for a very, very long time, and they last. There's your there's a QR code for you people who want to get some information. And I guess this is the one in Spanish. Then this is the one in what language is that? Oh, no. This is in French. This is in Spanish. At least I think it is. But either way, that's it. That's pretty much how we're gonna do it. But, oh yeah, I was just saying, I take care of stuff, and I want the stuff to last a long time, and so I get an OTTERBOX, and so far it's the best. That must be for the Apple logo. I don't really care for showing people that you have an Apple. I mean, that's just flesh. I mean, but you know, some people they don't let your life be secure in technology. Yes, Apple is brand name. Yes, OTTERBOX is brand name, and they're usually the best for their purposes. They're the best for my purposes, for what I'm using them for. But please do not base your life off technology, fads, whatever, brand names or whatever. If God shows you to get an Android or something cheaper, then get an Android or something cheaper. Or just believe God. But like I said, I believe God for this, because this I wanted this specifically, and I have a very specific reason why I use Apple for cell phones and iPads. But so just because it's high end, you can have high end better. In fact, you can have something better. You can have a gold plated OTTERBOX one. Gotta get you what you want. But I was just saying, do not let yourself fall into fads. Please don't fall into fads and think that you're not worth anything because someone down the street has an iPad and you don't. Okay, that's got nothing to do with it. Just believe God, get your own iPad, and get out of covetousness. But Jesus Lord, and that's it. Live will be.